In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a dashboard from one workbook to another in Tableau. This process is straightforward and should take you no more than a few minutes, making it ideal for ensuring consistency across your analytics presentations or when consolidating reports into one place. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by launching the Tableau app. If you're not already familiar with this, you'll find it straightforward to get going. Once you've opened Tableau, navigate to your worksheet. From your home screen, locate the project you're working on and open it. This will present you with all the various components you've already set up, including your worksheets and dashboards. Next, focus your attention on the Dashboard tab that you want to copy. Each project in Tableau is organized neatly with these tabs, making it easy to switch between the different visualizations and insights you've built. Identifying which dashboard you'd like to duplicate is crucial, as it ensures you're transferring the right data and design. Once you've located the desired dashboard tab, perform a right-click on it. This interaction will bring up a context menu with several options. What you're looking for here is the Copy option. This step is essential as it will save all the settings and data connected to the dashboard, preserving its functionality as you transfer it. Now it's time to switch gears a little and move over to your destination workbook. Whether you're starting a new project or transferring dashboards to a central repository, it's important to ensure that the workbook you're moving the dashboard to is open and ready to receive the copied content. In the destination workbook, you have some flexibility on how to proceed. You could right-click on an existing worksheet tab, or if you prefer, you could simply right-click within the main workspace area. When you do this, another context menu will pop up with the Paste option. Clicking Paste will automatically place your copied dashboard into the new workbook. This action effectively duplicates your dashboard as it appeared in the original workbook, ensuring all corresponding visualizations, settings, and configurations remain intact. And there you have it. Your dashboard should now be successfully copied over to the new workbook, ready for further analysis, sharing, or presentation. Remember, this method is a great way to maintain a consistent style across multiple projects, or to back up your work in different locations, ensuring you have easy access to all your data storytelling tools. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it serves you well in your future Tableau endeavors. For more helpful tips, be sure to check out our other videos. See you next time.